Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, August 22nd of 2024. I'm Giovanni Bonacore, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Market. And in front of us, we are looking at the NASDAQ on a daily candlestick chart. So we'll take a look at market fluctuation for today, probable direction. If we were to open right now, we'd be opening to the upside. But you see how market has really stayed within range for the last few days. Not much has really been able to be shown here, but obviously we have been looking to close higher. 20,000 is right there in front of us. Let's see if today we're going to be able to surpass that, close above this psychological level for the NASDAQ. So that's something that we are. The RSI is not even close to being overbought. So we still have a lot of room. The same token goes for the S&P. The resistance of 5666 is right there. 5,700. Obviously, it could be also a place, but initially, let's just wait for that hopeful that will continue to move to the upside. I'm going to raise my level of support to 5,600 change. So looking to a nice bump to the upside. The Dow is the one that right now is in basically just flattish, but that could change at any given time. So let's keep all those the same levels of resistance and support for the markets. Looking for the markets to show us a new narration to the upside. Let's see if that would be happening. The Russell has been also just within range. Today we could probably see a nice move to the upside. 2200 is right in front of us, so let's keep that in mind. Crude oil seems to be rebounding out of this 71.50. We have been obviously on the downside, but this level is looking strong. This level of support. Let's see if we can rebound back into $74 into that for that rebound. So buying crude oil. Nat Gas continues to just trend lower, but it hasn't really done much since Monday's opening to the upside. We are within that range, so let's see if today we'll come down and revisit that low that created on Monday and then just rebound from here. Let's see at the given time, just trading to the downside or selling it. Gold, it seems to be testing the support right now, and since it has touched it, and I will have to lower that, so I'm going to lower it to 2480, keeping the same level of resistance. So that support 2480 for gold. Let's see if it'll be reached today. If we're looking to give some of those gains back, obviously the time will tell. And then silver seems to be just that 50-day moving average is working its magic. So let's see if the silver will stay in range within the 50-day moving average and the upper band. So reversals of the 50-day moving average could also be contemplated if the market continues to trade lower. Then copper, we have copper just creating. This is a perfect scenario of a possible it's going to be a breakout sooner or later. Equal highs, equal lows. This is the fourth day in creating this tight channel. So break up to the upside, and it could be up. It could be favored. Also, this could just tank, right, and just trade lower. So the RSI is right smack in the middle. So it could go either way. Keep that in mind. Bitcoin, 61,000 being just right there. Look at that 50-day moving average. On the other hand, just like silver, as it's been working on, Bitcoin is just acting as a dynamic resistance. So let's see if today we'll be able to, make another attempt to the upside. I'm gonna have to raise that level of resistance, so I'm gonna use where the the upper band is to that target. We need to obviously first trade above that 50-day moving average, and then need a spike to the upside. Could probably be favored. Ethereum also is looking just sideways trading. This is just ready to go any given time. Currencies. Euro yesterday hit that level of resistance, 111,700, retreated. Today is within range of yesterday's fluctuation. So let's see if find some support here. I'm gonna leave the same level of support anyhow. RSI is in the still in the overbought territory, so let's keep that in mind. Pound 131. Wow, nice move to the upside. So let's use 131.5, which it's going to be somewhat difficult for it to maybe reach it, but let's see. 13500 for the support. We are right there entering overbought territory, but we could still make another attempt to the upside. So keep that in mind. And the dollar index is just that it fluctuated below our level of support. So today we're gonna have to lower that and use that low as our support for today. 100. Let's see. We did open with a gap up. Okay, so will it recover today? Let's see if it'll do so. If it does recover, then it's gonna put some pressure on metals and the currencies. Keep that in mind. Have a nice trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.